Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need an active Jio SIM and a 5G-capable phone. Open the My Jio app now. Tap to check your plan and confirm 5G eligibility. This registers your device on the network. Once done, enable mobile data, then toggle 5G mode in cellular settings. Make sure network selection is automatic so Jio can assign the best band. You'll also need a valid payment method or Aadhaar for any plan changes. Keep them handy to complete activation without delay. In My Jio, choose the unlimited 5G offer, review data and speed details, then confirm the purchase. Authorize payment when prompted. Once your plan is active, restart your phone. This forces the SIM to re-register on Jio's 5G core. Check for a 5G icon and good signal strength. If speeds lag, toggle airplane mode briefly to reattach. Also, verify APN settings under mobile network if you customized them earlier. Restore defaults or use the ones Jio supplies to avoid routing issues. You should run a speed test to confirm expected throughput. This gives you a baseline to compare later. If 5G doesn't appear, move to an open area or higher floor. 5G wave and dense bands need clearer lines of sight. Make sure no software updates are pending and that your phone's firmware supports your region's bands. If problems persist, contact Jio support with your IMEI, SIM number, and screenshots. They can push a profile or provision your line remotely to resolve registration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.